Chevron Mestein do mit Menachem Rosenfeld. Menachem, you have a new invention, and you took over the market by far with this new invention. How old is this invention already?
4 years now.
4 years now.
4 years, yeah. Every year we're slowly upgrading, getting better and better at what we're doing. And I think this year we took it off with a bang.
This year you took it over the bang. So let's tell the Oilim what this invention of yours is.
These are 4-foot LED Sukkah lights. Can't get slimmer than this. More sleek, nice design. Beautiful.
Look at that.
These lights, you could connect up to 6 of these lights together. They're very strong connecting points.
So this is what you have right now in your Sukkah up over here, huh?
So we have up over here.
Beautiful,
you can see we have
powerful lights.
Here we have more than 6, but you could connect up to 6 of them together. There's a lot of milas with this light. I'll go through some of them with you, all of them with you. First mile, which is one of the biggest miles about this light, is that you don't need any extension cords anymore. Once you get these lights, you're all good to go.
Really?
That's it, no more.
What's if your plug is far from the light?
That's what I'm saying. You get it with these lights. You get a 25-foot plug-in cord.
Comes along with the light box.
Comes with the light in the box. You save yourself a few dollars on the extension cord.
Forget about saving the look, the color.
The look. Be nice.
You have a big orange thing coming through your Sukkah.
No more orange stuff coming in your Sukkah. No more, the extension cord fell in the middle of Yom Tov, and then now it looks funny. You got a big orange cord.
Wow. So let me see over here. So you think I have over here So it finishes over here, the light, and here has a wire pulling a white, sleek wire that goes into the outlet.
Straight to the outlet, and that's
Straight to the outlet, and that's it. And then you have a wire going, and this connects all 6 lights. One. And what's this cord going across over here?
So that's the next thing I was going to tell you. So when you have it further from one beam to the next, that's where you get a 4-foot connecting wire with the lights as well. So you're really going to get more than 4 feet. You can connect it up to 5 feet, because at the end of every light you have a 6-inch piece, and then you get another 4 feet, and then you get another 6 inches, so you get 5 feet altogether.
Wow. So you have each light
up to 5 feet
apart.
Yeah.
And they interlock.
You go one to the next, you get these strong plug-in pieces, so when you go, you screw them in together. This way they don't, get pulled out over Yom Tov.
This is unbelievable.
You get all of that.
When I was a kid, my father and the Sukkah had all different types of hanging bulbs and hanging
glass
stuff.
Ones, they fall down.
They used to crash in the middle, fall down. Oh my goodness.
No more.
If it rained on the Sukkah, it got ruined.
That's it. None of that. You get everything with it. Along with the light, you're also getting these brackets that come with it. You can screw the brackets in. They click right in the light. You want to take them after Yom Tov. You can leave the brackets in the wood. Just click and play.
That's so cool. You leave the brackets in the wood and just clicks in.
They come with also, another thing they come with are these little plastic pieces. Because at the end, you're going to have a cord that's open.
Oh.
You just stuff it with one of these plastic pieces. No rain coming in. Alles is good.
Safe and nice.
Safe for Yom Tov.
I love it. The sleek look. And it looks to me a little brighter than most lights out there.
I forgot to tell you. It's another thing. Most lights out there are about a 5,000 K color. So it's a little bit more warmer. These are 6,000 K, so it's a little bit brighter. In my opinion, I think they attract less bugs. Also, you can see there's no bugs on the lights.
True, out here for a couple of minutes, there's no bugs coming on the lights.
One bug came over here to the lights, they get scared.
I guess they're scared of these strong lights. Very powerful, very
beautiful
bright.
Pieces.
Wow. So this is what comes in the box. Open up a box. Let's see the oil that comes out in the box. Open up a fresh box for the oil over here. Let's see. Get back here, have a nice, sleek, geschmack box. Easy to store from year to year. You open it up, it comes out a 25-foot brackets,
all the pieces,
25-foot cable,
cord, and then you get the light,
and
then here's the 4-foot cable with it also.
Wow, the light and the 4-foot cord. So you're getting a full package over here.
Everything all in one.
Everything you need all in one. Look how beautiful it looks. Look how sleek it looks on your Sukkah beam. So you could either zip tie it like over here, or you could attach it with the bracket that it comes with,
and you get everything
yours.
in it. Now,
new Sukkah era.
That's it. Another big thing before we forget, I don't want to forget this. We have, Baruch Hashem, we have a lot of stores that carry it. We have in Baltimore, we have stores in Williamsburg, Borough Park, Lakewood, we have stores. If you have a store somewhere and you wanted to carry it also, reach out, we'll give you wholesale pricing.
Nice.
A big thing also we offer free delivery. Free. You order one light, you're getting free delivery to Borough Park.
No.
Yeah, you heard me.
What do you mean?
One light.
If I order one light, you're going to deliver it to my house?
You live in Borough Park, Flatbush, Lakewood, surrounding areas. You'll get, even Muncie, you'll get one light delivered to your house.
Same price.
Same price. Well, we didn't discuss the pricing yet, but for the same price, you're going to get it.
Wow.
Straight to your door. You know, you order a lot, obviously we'll work with you. We'll give you better pricing if you need. If you're a shul, we'll give you even better pricing. And yeah, we'll take care of you.
Amazing. No, Menachem, what's the price? We're talking
Prices
about
for these lights are $39.99 a light. That's including
it?
Yep, that's it. Including delivery to your house.
$39.99 for a night.
Sometimes I even have my drivers, people ask me if I could put them up for them.
Serious?
Sometimes I tell them for next.
Stop it, Menachem. You're pushing it now. $39.99, you can get it put up in your sukkah?
No, not put up. Sometimes I just tell you to tip my driver. Usually he'll do it for you, or reach out. I'll give you a good price, and then we'll get it put up for you also if you need.
Wow.
But you don't need people to put it up for you. It's very easy.
Takes a second.
Mamish a second
to put up. If you have two hands, it goes up.
Exactly.
What's the Perlowitz promotion for this light?
Perlowitz promotion is, right now we have a 15% going on until Rosh Hashanah. For Perlowitz promotion, we're going to give you 20% off. And that's including delivery, including everything.
Kevin, you heard that? 20% off when you mentioned Perlowitz when you order these lights. Kevin, after hearing all that, what is the phone number to order?
Phone number to order is 718-679-7278. You could call, text, WhatsApp, whatever you want. We'll take care of you. Mention Perlowitz. You're going to get 20% off.
What if you mention Perlowitz and fame?
And fame, oh.
You got something more for Avi?
Now you're hitting us.
Now we're hitting you up. All right, Kevin, check in with Menachem.
20% off. We'll take care of you. You'll be happy. You know, if it breaks, anything happens, we warranty it. Don't worry about it.
Really?
Yes, we have warranty on them.
So when you stick to the Rosenfelds, you always
be a happy customer. I don't think we had people that weren't happy. Baruch Hashem.
Not by you and not by any Rosenfeld.
Not by any Rosenfeld, exactly.
We
take after our father, so.
That's it, Dr. Rosenfeld.
Dr. Rosenfeld, yes.
Kevin, check in with Menachem, order these slim lights, mention Perlowitz, and you have a beautiful sukkah, no bugs, bug-free.
Bug-free.
Simchas Yom Tov.
Beautiful,
sleek.
Lit up.
I love the look, the sleek look. No extension cords, no chadgadiyas, just a beautiful, sleek looking sukkah, bright as anything, and I have a Simchas Yom Tov. Thank you, Menachem.